So here, we've already looked at how to find the prime factors of a number. Let's take a look at how to find all of the factors of a number. So let's take an example of 40. Find all the factors, which means all the numbers that divide into 40. So pause the video and give that a shot. Alright, well now if you found some numbers that divide into 40, if you want to try to take a systematic approach to finding all the factors of 40, you could just start at the beginning of the integers or the natural numbers and see if they divide. So is 1 a number that divides into 40? Sure. So 1 divides into 40. Well, 2, does that divide into 40? Sure. 2 times 20 is 40. So 2 is a factor of 40. Does 3 go into 40? No, there's going to be a remainder if we do that. We could divide 4 into 40. Certainly, if we 4 times 10, 5 times 8 will give us 40. If I divide 6 into 40, no, that won't work. 7, no, 8 will. But that's going to take us a long time because we have to go all the way up to 40. That's a lot of numbers to check. So one of the tricks is you don't have to check all that far if you observe the fact that for each factor it has a pair matching factor. So 5 times 8 is going to give you 40, and so if once you write down 5, you should also write down 8. And so now I can go back through these factors in reverse. 4 goes into 40. It goes in 10 times. And then 2 goes in 20 times, and 1 goes in 40 times. And so each of these factors that we found has a companion factor, and you want to make sure that you get both the factor and its companion each time. And that will help you have a more systematic approach to it. So we can do another example with 56. We want to find all the factors of 56. So give that a shot using this trick. Alright, well, we'll start at the beginning of the integers. Does 1 go into 56? Sure, it does. It goes in 56 times, so we're going to have 1, and then we're going to have 56 over here. Does 2 go into 56? Sure, 56 is an even number, so I'm going to get 2, and I'm going to get 28. 56 divided by 2 is going to be 28. Does 3 go into 56? Well, it's the old trick of telling if a number is divisible by 3. You add the digits. If they add up to something divisible by 3, then it's divisible by 3. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 is not divisible by 3, so therefore 56 is not either. The next number to check would be 4, and yes, 56 is divisible by 4. So we've got 4. When I divide 56 by 4, I'm going to get 14. Next number would be 5. It doesn't end in 5 or 0, so it's not divisible by 5. It's divisible by 6. Well, if it's not divisible by 3, it can't be divisible by 6 either. It's divisible by 7. Sure. If it's divisible by 14, it's got to be divisible by 7. 7 goes into 56 8 times. And then we're in the middle, and so we have all the matches. We've met the bottom half of the factors, have met the top half of the factors, so I know I can stop. So we've got, again, 8 factors. 8 factors for the number 56.